This is a video to help practice with Spring Theme from the Four Seasons on page 14. Before we begin, please note that we have these 8-note rest in this bar and this bar here all throughout, which gives it a slight syncopation feeling. And make sure you hold these dotted half notes for 3 beats. So in order to practice, I'm going to set my metronome to the quarter note at 66. Okay, and it sounds like this. Here we go. The first bar is called a pickup note because the D starts on beat 4. So let's begin after we count 3 beats together and then an up bow on the D. So let's get into playing position. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1.